Just copped your girl a brand new romance, but you can't never find the time to spend at home, thinking that's gonna keep her happy. Time is all she wanted all alone.
Don't wanna ever have to question if you're down for me, but when I wanted you, you didn't really want me. Now the feelings ain't mutual. You let a good girl walk out of your life. The feelings ain't mutual. You know I could've held you down for life. If you're inconsistent, I'ma find someone who isn't. He gon' give me what you're missing, yeah. Boy, get off my line, you're wasting my time, I don't need you. I can call up them guys that's on standby to tell you the truth. Cause the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Yeah, the feelings ain't mutual. Ain't mutual, yeah. Hey y'all,
welcome to the Frysons.
Oh my god. It's your girl It's your
name ain't Tyra D no more, it's Tyra.
Alright. It's your girl Tyra D. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. We about to start off the vlog. We're going to brunch. Well, at this point it's lunch, cause we late. We late.
Know, we ain't
supposed to be there at noon.
We're
supposed to be there at noon. It's almost 1 o'clock. We're supposed to be here at noon, and it's almost 1 o'clock. So yeah. So we're going to this black-owned restaurant called Plates. It's in Decatur. It looked like it was real cute online. Oh my god. Alright y'all, so the name of this restaurant is called Plates. Okay, first of all, I found this on TikTok, of course. And baby, if you're on here and you're not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? Exactly. So the decor is super cute, as you can see. Boom, they had a little bar over here and everything, and they have the menu. So they sell, baby, they sell soul food and they sell brunch type of food. You just can't get better than that, because I'm like, child, you telling me I could order some yams, greens, cornbread, and all of that, and I can still get my chicken and waffles? Yeah. So I got this really cute drink. It was really good. As you can see, it's huge. Huge. I didn't know it was gonna be like that. I did not expect for this drink to be this large. But let's give it a try. It's supposed to be like pineapple-ish. This is good. It tastes like tropical.
Tissue. Why would I miss you when you was the issue? Don't wear the shoe if the shoe doesn't fit you. Only around me when it's beneficial. Stop texting my phone. Nigga be feeding like leave me alone. Back in my zone. Don't want the feelings, I just want the dough. Body he making me thicker. Rob is hard, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got bigger. You did me wrong. What I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Throwing it back, put it right in his face. He like how it tastes.
Look, waste no time. This place was so good. Ooh, not me that's walking up. This place was so good. I would come back. The waffles tasted literally like peach cobbler. It was so good. He didn't want to try it because he don't like peach cobbler like that. But
I like peach cobbler, but it's like 10 in the morning. I don't want to eat it.
Well, it's 1 in the afternoon. Maybe even 2 o'clock. But no, it was good. The chicken was decent too. The drink was huge. But it wasn't strong. It just kind of tastes like juice in a sense. And then, what else? How was your waffles and stuff?
I had French toast.
Oh yeah, that's what you had. Okay, how was it?
It was pretty good.
I like it. I like their food options. I think it was pretty decent pricing too. Like, yeah, I would come back here. It was real cute. Real cute. The vibe was cute. Hopefully. Ooh, what does that smell? TTYL, okay. Let me give y'all a quick little OOTD. OOTD. I got this little two-top from Shein. This is a little Shein outfit. I was supposed to wear this a little while ago. I just never did. And I got these little shorts from Shein. Like, yeah. Cute little casual. It's comfortable. But size down on this top because it don't fit me. Well, right now it's fitting me because I have another top like this in the small. There's an extra small, and she fit me now, but the other one didn't. The other one was falling. But yeah, cute little shorts from Shein. Necklace, Shein. Earrings, pretty little thing, baby. And then I have my little Tough Bar bag. This one little Tough Bar. It's not the same pink, but I mean it's in the family, so hey. Hey. She'll work. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna see y'all a little bit later. I hope I have some good pictures, because if not, I'm gonna be kind of upset. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, I need to clean my car out. It's really bad. Very, actually, super bad. Super bad. Oh, look at me. Y'all wanna see my little keychain on me? Look at me. Dang, is it gonna focus? Okay, it's not gonna focus, but that's me. Okay. Oh, okay. TYL.
Crazy.
Alright, y'all, I'm at the car wash. Working little company. I really hope it actually cleans my car this time. Because it don't normally do that. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm about to do this little recipe that my mama sent it to me actually, but she found it on TikTok or something, and it's like s'mores, but it's Hershey's, graham crackers, marshmallows, and what else is it? Oh, cookie dough. So it's like a cookie, but with s'mores inside of it, and I was like, yeah, I gotta try this. So we about to try it, and we're gonna see how it turn out, okay?
Whichever is faster, whichever one is in a household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, this is what they look like right now. I'm about to put these into the oven for about 13 minutes or so. The package said 13 minutes for these cookies. So I'm gonna bake them for 13 minutes and let's see what they look like. Y'all, and look at these pretty flowers. My boyfriend got me these. So we gotta put these up into a vase, and yeah, we need to put these up. They're cute though. Ooh.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed in the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your...
Yo, these are good. I feel like they can cook a little longer though, but not too much, but they're kind of falling off. It's good. All right, y'all. I need you to come with me to do some restocking for my apartment. Child, I'm not trying to get distracted. We got a list. We trying to stick to it. We about to see. I need to get so much stuff though. Like I need to get groceries. I need to get stuff at Target. I need to go to Sam's Club. Whoa. Let's just go. I just really don't want this to take 50 billion years because I just know me. I just know me. And knowing me, yeah. So first thing we're gonna do is go to the grocery store. Okay? Potatoes. Ooh, I should make sweet potatoes. Not the beef thing. Not the beef thing. Let's get some more asparagus. Ooh. Okay, we got some lettuce, kale, apples. That's it for right now. We're gonna get some bananas. Okay, let's get some milk. I'm only gonna get almond milk this time and not regular milk too, because I feel like I always waste the other one. Here's the update. So we got, I don't even remember what I showed last. I just started picking up stuff. I got eggs, brown sugar, avocados, bacon. We almost done though. We almost done. And soba. Alright y'all, we now in Target. I'm getting some chicken wings, 2 pounds of ground beef, and some steak. Alright, we need some seasoning. I'm gonna get brown sugar bourbon, and I want something else that's like good for barbecue chicken. So I'm trying to see. And then I think I might get some steak sauce, steak seasoning too. Yeah, I'm gonna get some steak seasoning because I wanna make some. But I don't think we have any at home. So let's see. Simply, I love these. So I'm gonna get one of these. Make sure it's good. And Simply. And orange juice, whatever it is, and one of these little parts. They got my yogurts in here, so I'm gonna get this kind, which is the blueberry and raspberry mix. We also got strawberry, but I like these better for my smoothies. Alright, we're about to get a scrub daddy. I'm gonna get the scrub mommy. She's cute. And then I already have one of these, so I can know which one is for what, basically. So, yeah. Oh, dishwasher safe. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Alright, y'all. So my mop is the O-Cedar. I need to get some refills. Oh, it's a 2-pack. Okay, so that's not bad. So I need to get this for the mop. Boom. Alright, we're gonna get some bleach right here. Ooh, they got my favorite LaCroix flavor. I love these. I'm about to get them. They 3 for $10. What? They don't never have these on sale, so I'm about to rack up real quick. Oopsie. One more. Okay. No fun. Okay. Let's get some veggies. These are my favorites. Boom. Okay, we need some. This might smell good. Let's see. Last thing, and I think we're done. All right, let's go. LATSGL, babe. Hey y'all, it's another day. Well, the next day or whatever. Because baby, it was just too much to get done at once. Now we need to go to Sam's Club to get the rest of the stuff. This is gonna be mostly like the bulk stuff, like paper towels, laundry detergent, stuff like that. And then after that, then we're gonna see, okay? All right, so I'm gonna see y'all up in there. All right, we're about to get some paper towels. Ooh. I'm gonna put them, actually, child, hold on. I'm gonna stand them up like that. Now we need to get laundry detergent and stuff. Y'all, I found this Downy fabric softener. This is why I love Sam's Club, because $11. Yeah, it smells so good. It smells like coconuts and pineapples. So I had to add one of those to the cart. And we need to get some, oh, I think that's it right there. Some Tide Pods or Game Pods or whatever they call them. I like the Gain ones better than the regular Tide Pods because they just smell like Gain and they smell real good. Alright y'all, these are the ones I'm gonna get, the Gain Flings with Febreze Spring Daytime, but they got Febreze over here and I'm gonna smell them just to make sure that's what I wanna give. And we are almost done. Oh wow, they have the scent beads to match this, but I don't need that. They also have liquid, because I need liquid too, so I think I'm gonna get this. Or they have, oh, the lavender one. I like the lavender one. I think I'm gonna get the lavender. And then we should be done, okay? Okay, one last thing is these. Oh my gosh. They have a huge pack of them here, and these are so good, y'all. Get these from Target or wherever. Child, one thing about me, I'm gonna use this cart. This cart off Amazon, I'm gonna use it. Because this stuff would not have got up in the house without it. But we're gonna do some restocking and stuff like that, but not right now. Ooh, child. Hey y'all, spend the day with me. We're about to go to this place. I've been trying to go here for a little minute. It's called Frost Bistro. This is Rashida's restaurant. And yeah, you can't make no reservations for this place. So you kind of gotta just go with the vibes, okay? So let's go there and see what it's about.
Yeah. They say money can't buy your love. They say money can't buy your love. They never seem to listen. I'm all in. Just got your girl a brand new romance, but you can't never find the time to spend at home, thinking that's gonna keep her happy. Time is all.
Alright y'all, so for the drink I got the Frost Spiked Lemonade, and it looks so cute in this little cup. Well, I wanted to get their other drink that was like, they have these other drinks where it was like a little, it kind of looked like a ice cream popsicle thing inside of a drink, but they were out of it. But these chicken and waffles look so good. I got the strawberry chicken and waffles, and oh my gosh, when I tell y'all this was a 10 out of 10, like, it was so good. And then they put like the little strawberries and the blueberries and stuff on the side, like so good, bro. You don't even need syrup.
It's just like chicken you don't short.
The treasure, those dollars don't make sense to me at all. Oh, it goes, you give her spending money, but all she wanna spend is time alone. Tonight, keep giving her, but she don't really need that. You're gonna end up alone in the world without love. Why would you do it? It's the simple things in life we forget.
I ain't never just cut this plate up like this. Woo, so good.
She eat like a bird, y'all.
Alright. It took me a minute to eat it, but it's done now. Y'all, that place is tea. I I gotta go back. How did you like it?
Vibe,
I like it. It was, well, surprisingly, when we got here, nobody was there. Well, like, people were there, but it was not packed to the point where you had to wait. Like, we could sit right down. They had good music. The food was good. I got the strawberry chicken and waffles. Real cute, but it was like not overbearing. Like, cause I hate when a waffle is like too sweet. It wasn't over sweet. It's attached to. It won't fall. Yeah, it wasn't like an overbearing type of thing. It was really good, and the chicken tasted like Shark's chicken in Chicago for some reason. I don't know. I thought I was back at home. Yeah, I would recommend it. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why it's so zoomed. But, oh wow.
Like nobody outside.
I feel like nobody is outside today for some reason.
But like I said, I think everybody
is with their family at home or something. But yeah, we about to just do a little ride around the town. Yeah. Alright, see y'all. I would definitely recommend this place. Real cute, 10 out of 10, okay? Alright, y'all, back at home. Let's restock these groceries.
You got me up all day and night, just waiting on a reply. I know you read the text I sent. It said, deliver, then you waited. Now it's been more than 24 hours, been left undelivered for hours and hours and hours. So why can't you reply? Why can't you reply? If you're on mine, why do I fight for your time? Why can't you reply? Why can't you reply? You done crossed the line, don't play with my time. You're all up on Snapchat, but I can't get a text back. You done crossed the line, don't play with my time. I ain't got all night to wait on your reply. Boy, you must be crazy if you think I'm gonna wait. Why you playing these games? I don't have no time to waste, cause I'm only getting older. Got a good head on my shoulder. You better get your act together, cause if not we'll be over. So why can't you reply? If you're on mine, why do I fight for your time? Why can't you reply? Why can't you reply? You done crossed the line, don't play with my time. You're all up on Snapchat, but I can't get a text back. You done crossed the line, don't play with my time. I ain't got all night to wait on your reply. Boy, you gotta go, cause you ain't even worth it.
Alright, y'all, that is going to be the end for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Snapchat, but I can't get a text back.